All right, probably a little late for a video, but let me see if I can prop this up here and show the outcome. In the kingdom for a tripod. All right, so got this little confluence of pieces, parts threaded in to this little homemade doohickey right here. We had a 10 by 1.5 millimeter nut welded on here, and whatever this large roll thread bolt was here. I have it somewhere, but don't remember it off the top of my head. Threaded onto the stud. Little ball joint press receiver that is the proper diameter for the IMS. The only thing that was special in the puller, obviously I got too long of a bolt, so I used a 27 millimeter socket. Then I happened to look up on the workbench and saw this 7,000 pound thrust bearing and thought, well, that would be helpful. Washers that I bought at Lowe's. The rest of this is all just thrust bearing. Some general off-the-shelf washers at Lowe's. Obviously, you have to have a welder to put one of these together. Would highly recommend doing it with a proper pipe cutter. As you may be able to tell, I'm a little wobbly. Figured I'd just give it a shot, but seemed to have worked just fine. Would probably not do that with one that was in the car. Here we have my IMS bearing and the stud. Just as a note, when I disassembled this engine, the seal was not on here. I don't know if that was the beginnings of failure or if somebody had already gotten in there and tried to do their own thing, but regardless, this is what you have left. Assuming that's an original bearing, a 5204 RS. I'm sure that crosses to something in anybody's bearing catalog. And probably work on pressing that stud out, take a look at it, and then maybe cut open the bearing and add it onto the video. Anyway, thought it was interesting that for less than $5, made an IMS bearing puller that definitely did the job. I wish I would have videoed it because I didn't think it was going to work quite as easy as it did. So maybe I'll put some more details and description in the video. Anyway, thank you.